Introducing ReadyLadder. ReadyLadder is a modular system designed for fast delivery and easy installation. Achieve the perfect ladder height for your application by simply connecting and trimming the lightweight sections.
The ReadyLadder system is stocked in multiple lengths, 15 foot and 10 foot.
Components are fabricated from ProForm structural shapes, the long-lasting OSHA-compliant FRP material that Bedford is known for.
It's completely made out of FRP or composite material. It's lightweight, it's corrosion resistant, it's non-conductive, it's UV resistant, and it's very easy to install.
With ReadyLadder, there is no need to hire high-priced welders. Anyone with basic carpentry tools and knowledge can install the system. This advantage significantly reduces installation costs.
And then once it gets to the job site or the project site, it will be very easy to work from the top down, and you can trim off the bottom to complete the installation very easily.
Made in the USA, ReadyLadder is in stock and available to be shipped quickly, so you can get on with business. To learn more, visit us at bedfordreinforced.com or call 1-800-377-3280.